Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be trying or tasting these marshmallows. I thought this box was pretty interesting, or this the food. Okay, before I try these, here's a little bit of more information on it. It does say stay puffed, Puft, and it says crunchy marshmallows on the bottom of it. Crunchy marshmallows. The box has like pretty good design to it. And it cost about $3.99 right here. It's fairly cheap, and it does say FYE exclusive. So okay guys, let's open this thing up. Okay. Looks really cute, I guess. Has these, little marshmallows. Okay guys, I'll be opening this thing up. Okay. Try out these things. The marshmallows is it's a little bit soft. It's not crunchy. I mean not it's not hard when you press on it. Okay, let's try these things out. It is a fairly good, I would just probably give it a 4 out of 5 rating. The marshmallows is it is crunchy, and it's the difference between like the big marshmallows and the smaller marshmallows on this package. It's like the bigger ones are like softer, And I guess the smaller ones, I feel like it's it tastes a little bit better. I guess it's light, probably around there. But it's good. I mean, for $3.99 you can't really beat it, I guess. You know. Okay, guys. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Oh, and I have many videos too, and don't forget to subscribe for my latest videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.